in SAP R3 is the three-tier architecture consisting of 3 layers. In other words, R means it's a real-time system. So in these three servers will be there in SAP: presentation and application database layer. User PC users can access SAP system in two ways: through SAP GUI and web browser. SAP GUI in the sense like we install the SAP in our system and we can access it through these one. And web browser in the sense like we can access through any link and all, through any search engine anywhere like Google Chrome or anywhere we can access directly to the web browser. So if you explain briefly about these things, so data is stored in database layer. It will store the data. So database layer in the sense the entire data, SAP data will be stored here in the database layer, and the data will be processed in application layer. In the application layer, we process the whatever the commands we give will be get processed in the application layer. It's a software. It will read and write the data in this application layer, and this final output will be present in presentation layer. So desktop, mobile, laptop, these are the output stations where whatever the results processed in application layer will be presented in the presentation layer. So in ECC we have these three servers: development, quality, and production. So in development we do the configuration, and quality the quality testing and before issuing to the production. And once it is finalized, we'll move the data to the production server. It will get finalized here after user acceptance test. So this way it will be there in the ECC. So if we see what is the difference between ECC and S4HANA, in SAP ECC, ERP center component is a core of existing SAP Business Suite. SAP Business Suite has SAP ECC plus SAP CRM. This is SAP Business Suite. It will have all these things: SAP ECC, SAP CRM, SAP SRM, SAP SCM. These are the different modules: SAP PLM and SAP. SAP ECC, not to be confused with SAP Business Suite. Okay, Business Suite, SAP ECC is a part of SAP Business Suite. SAP Business Suite can run on any database like Oracle, MS SQL, IBM, DB2, including HANA. Including in HANA also we can run this ECC. So SAP HANA is a RDBMS like Oracle, MS SQL, DB2, etc. Specialty is it is an in-memory column-oriented database. HANA is SAP's own database. Like earlier ECC, they are running this servers in Oracle, MSQL and all. In S4HANA, what they did, they are the SAP company itself is maintaining this database. So in S4HANA is a short for SAP Business Suite, S4 suite for SAP HANA, meaning that it is the fourth version of SAP Business Suite, but it is designated to run only SAP HANA. In S4 HANA stands for SAP Business Suite for SAP HANA. The backend application layer runs only on HANA database, and front end will be developed with SAP UI5. In the three-tier architecture of SAP system, HANA is the database layer, S4 HANA is the application layer, and Fiori is the presentation layer. I discussed now here. These are the layers. So in this, for those layers, they have given explicitly. In three-tier architecture, SAP system, HANA is the database layer, S4 HANA is the application layer, and the Fiori is the presentation layer. In the Fiori, we will see the outputs now. So in S4 HANA, the next SAP Business Suite, SAP ERP evaluation, R3 and ECC, and now S4 HANA. These are the evaluation, how it came to the HANA. Yes, earlier R2, R3, ECC, and now it is S4 HANA. So we will go in deep relating to SAP Fiori. So SAP Fiori is a user interface. In backend, we have S4 HANA, which acts as a database where user can use Fiori without T codes but with tables. So earlier in ECC, what we do, we have to, if we want to do any configuration particular relating to anything, we have to give T codes. So in now, if with S4HANA, with the help of Fiori, directly we can go to the particular area where we can like click the dialog box and we can give the details. Like if we want to create PO, directly we can go to the click. We have to click that dialog box. Like it will be like this. So we have to click that dialog box. For example, it is related to PO. We have to click this. It will open the fields, required fields like quantity, details like date, amounts, and all these things will be there. We have to fill it and we have to send it to the approver. Like that, it will be there with the Fiori. So SAP Fiori is a user interface or user experience that supplements and can replace with the SAP GUI. SAP customers can use the UX for US. Wherever I say UX, is the user experience. So SAP customers can use this UX for various solutions such as SAP S4HANA, SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, SAP Ariba, SAP Cloud for customer, and more. This streamlined application can use tiles to encapsulate standard tasks such as approving purchase requisitions, viewing sales orders, and approving timesheets. So SAP Fiori. So when they had found that SAP Fiori as increasing the productivity. With Fiori, they're increasing the productivity. And research revealed that Fiori delivers 64% reduction in time. It's a time reducing compared to ECC. Needed to complete a task compared to the SAP GUI. It's simple. It's simpler and easier to learn, so it drives strong adoption rate and cuts training time. So these are some advantages of it using the Fiori. Employees also tend to get less frustrated with Fiori. So below are various fields in Fiori. So Fiori looks like this. If you the presentation layer. So in this we have various fields. In this, if we click directly, it will take to the respective required fields where we have to enter and we have to submit it. And SAP S4HANA Finance is a part of S4HANA Business Suite. This current version of S4HANA is Finance 2021. The financial software that is a part of SAP S4HANA Enterprise Management Solution, the next generation business suite. SAP S4HANA Finance application offers planning, consolidation accounting, and compliance and cloud technology. Even more, it offers SAP accounting, cash management, and all financial aspects of the organization. These are the financial accounting, management accounting, bank management and accounting, profitability analysis, and bank ledger accounting, etc. So explanation to that. SAP HANA high performance analytic appliance. It is an in-memory column oriented relational database management system, RDMS, developed and marketed by SAP SE. SAP HANA is a combination of hardware and software, so which integrates different components like SAP HANA database, SAP SLT, system landscape transformation, replication server, SAP HANA direct extractor connection, and Sybase replication. So HANA database can be deployed on premise and cloud. On premise in the sense like if big organizations if they do on premise, it means they are maintaining the servers on their own. They are not giving to any third party or anything. They have huge data, they will maintain it. If it is small company, they can go for cloud. Cloud in the sense like SAP company itself, they maintain the servers. So where they will maintain and everything they will do on cloud. If we choose cloud, they will maintain. If we choose on-premise, it will be maintained by the company itself. So HANA database can be run either on-premise or cloud or hybrid model. Hybrid model in the sense if some very big organizations they have huge data, they can go for hybrid model. Hybrid model in the sense they use on-premise and cloud both. So in that case is the hybrid model. Reasons to choose HANA. So these are some reasons mentioned below, the few reasons why to choose HANA. It's a real-time. SAP HANA provides real-time reporting, real-time data provisioning. It's a real-time one. Like if we enter now itself, and it will get updated, it will get save the data, and results will be provided now itself. The cost. SAP claims that SAP HANA software can reduce total IT cost of the company. Yeah, with the use of this HANA, we can reduce the cost of that IT cost of that particular company. Speed. SAP HANA provides high speed processing on massive data due to in-memory technology. So it will provide the speed processing of the data. And cloud. SAP HANA database and application can be deployed on total cloud environment. As I said earlier, on cloud basis we can maintain its cloud values as well. So now SAP is rapidly developing from many upcoming technologies, like first and foremost GUI called Fiori, and for cloud apps, IoT and predictive analytics and SDA. So many new features were implemented in recent HANA release. So faster performance, the data directly request application representation layer. In SAP HANA, CPU will fetch data directly from RAM. SAP HANA supports column-oriented tables. So in column-oriented tables, normally uh, um, in ECC, if we go to the tables, there will be a certain limit. But if we see in HANA, the column limit will be very big. You can get the very huge columns there. It will provide many huge data support here. So that is one more advantage. And further advantage of HANA, high performance analytic application. The following are the advantage of using HANA underlying database. So real-time data analysis and elimination of unnecessary complexity of hardware. So cloud subscription licensing, on-premise traditional licensing. So these are the some differences. So licensing model, traditional licensing. On-premise is a traditional licensing. The cloud is a subscription licensing. So infrastructure and maintenance model. Deployment and maintenance is implemented and managed by IT staff of a customer. And system infrastructure and maintenance are under SAP control. As I said, SAP company will maintain the cloud, on-premise company will maintain it. So speed of innovation, planning, testing, controlling, and upgrading and changing within the system are the full responsibility of a customer. And the automatic latest innovation upgrade happen quarterly without customer participation. So this is the responsibility of the customer in this case, and cloud cases the company will take care on quarterly basis. So implementation approach, high compliance with individual business requirements and customization. And in case of cloud, predefined best practice configuration with limited specialization. So new implementation. This is a new implementation of S4HANA Greenfield. Customer who are migrating from non-SAP legacy system or front an SAP ERP system and implementing a fresh system that requires an initial data load. In this scenario, SAP S4HANA system is implemented and master and transactional data are migrated from legacy system. So thus standard data migration tools and components has to be used. So if you are doing a legacy system, first time implementing S4HANA, this greenfield system we use this. So a system conversion. So system conversion, this is a complete conversion of an existing SAP business system to SAP HANA. This is like ECC to S4HANA change. Lift and shift. It's called lift and shift. So customer who wants to change their current ERP system to S4HANA, this scenario will technically based on software update manager with database migration option. In case of customer is not yet on SAP S4HANA as the underlying database. So yeah, converting migrating from ECC to S4HANA, this system we use. And landscape transformation. This is a consolidation of current regional SAP system into a global SAP S4HANA system, or SAP are a split out of different part of system. Customer who wants to consolidate their landscape or carve out selected entities such as a company code or a process into single SAP S4HANA system. System conversion means transferring ECC to S4HANA, and landscape transformation means transferring data from one server to another server within SAP. So this will happen. These are the some changes. If you have any doubts in these changes, you can ask. I'll see. Yeah, is it?
Yes, yes, you explained very well.
Okay, is it fine or explanation?
Did you explain about business partner?
Sorry.
Business partner.
I didn't prepare that part. I'll prepare and present some
Okay,
business
okay,
part.
it's okay.
I have a little bit knowledge on this business partner. Like in SAP, I didn't figure out exactly